Oh, hey everyone, it's Mark at Seaway Hyundai. I didn't see you there. Well, welcome to my office. I'm going to show you today a little tip and trick for booking a service appointment here at Seaway Hyundai. We've enhanced the system on our website to make it more functional, more easy for you to book the appointment you want, schedule everything online, so you don't have to worry about calling in. Everything will be a la carte for you. So again, here we are at seawayhyundai.com, our website, which I'm sure most of you are well aware of. You're going to hover over services and more, and you're going to go down to the second last one. It's called schedule service. We're going to click on there. Now before, you just have to fill out your name, some of your information, what you drive, and basically an email submission will be made. So now it's a little different. So you're going to see this screen here. So basically this is in real time. So now if you're so today we're going to talk about is if you're an existing customer. So if you're an existing customer, you're going to hit find me. You can put your phone number in. So for this I just created a mock phone number and I'm going to add it in here. So for this it's reminding me I drive a 2009 Santa Fe. So if for some reason you have multiple Hyundais in your family, it'll bring up different ones. And if you've been in service before, this will definitely come up, show you which vehicles you have in your family. You can choose from if you have more than one. In this case, I own 2009 Santa Fe. It's telling me I have approximately 203,000 kilometers. If that's my vehicle, I can select yes. Now I can adjust the mileage. So for this case, I'm going to say it has 192,000 kilometers on it. I'm going to hit next. It's going to tell me it's a 3.3. This is already selected. So now it's going to tell me at 192,000 kilometers what's recommended, and I can click over here. And it's going to tell me a service for, and I can click on this little arrow, and it's going to tell me everything that's everything that's in a service for and what's entailed. It's also telling me it's recommended to replace my cabin filter. Now, if you click these options off, we're obviously going to inspect them first before replacing them, because we don't want to change anything that doesn't need to be replaced. So don't fear if you select them. We'll always make sure we inspect them prior to. So now let's say you don't want to do your service for, you just want, maybe you need to have an engine light on, or you just want to book a standard oil change or some other repair. So there's also down here, it's called choose individual services and repairs below. So I'm going to click on the little arrow on the right here. It's going to bring up a magnitude of 2 pages of different services. So these are basically your maintenance features that are available to you on your vehicle. And if you need maybe a repair done, so let's say you have an engine light on, your air conditioning is not working, you can hover from services to repairs, and there's a magnitude of different repairs that you can request we look at. In this case, it gives you the cost for an inspection. So again, what we do is do a diagnosis, and then from there let you know what's needed to fix, but at least you know what the upfront charges are. So for this quick demonstration, I'm going to go back to services. I'm going to say I want my engine oil and filter done. And I'm also going to request a tire rotation. So I've added 2 things to basically my cart. So much like you're shopping at any major retailer, it's the same idea. I'm going to hit next in the bottom right corner here. It's going to show me available appointments. So for instance, obviously Sunday we're not open. This Monday being family day, we were also not open. It's going to show me what availability I have for these appointments over the course of the day. So you can select from a magnitude of different times to kind of suit your time, or suit your day actually. So in this case I'm going to select 8:30 a.m. on Thursday, and also it's going to give me an option for a drop-off, shuttle, valet. So you can select some different options here. So in this case I'm going to tell the service team I'm going to drop off the vehicle. Valet we're going to get into next week. We're offering some new services here at Seaway Hyundai. So we won't let the cat out of the bag just yet, but you definitely have access to that as well, which is going to be the first of its kind in Cornwall. So we're going to select Thursday and drop off. It's going to tell me that basically I'm replacing my engine oil filter, I'm doing a tire rotation. My subtotal is $91.90, of course, plus taxes. I can enter my information here, so I'm going to put Marc, Lapointe. I'm going to put my email address in. My phone. I can also send myself reminder and updates by email or text. So in this case, I'm going to put email, or I'll put text just to change it up. You can put your phone number in, so I'll put email just for this demonstration. And if you have any questions about your appointment, you can also select that, and that'll remind one of the advisors to call you once they get the appointment on their end. So I'm going to hit book it. You're going to get a confirmation code. That basically, here's your estimated total. You can print it, or in seconds, really, you're going to get an email right to your inbox. I'm just going to check my phone here. And boom, I've got my email in my inbox. So just as easy as that, my appointment's been booked. I've got a reminder here with a confirmation code. So the nice thing about that is basically there's no confusion on each other's end. And by this time already in our schedule, the appointment showed up with our service team, also showing that that time slot has been taken by you. So that's the first part of our demonstration. The next thing I would suggest is to register here once you use it. So it's going to ask for your username and password, so you can use anything as a username, and then you create your password. And once you do that, instead of going in by your phone number, if you go back to the home page, and you can hover back over services, schedule service. You can go to log me in right here, and then basically you can just log in there. So you basically have your own access code and username, and anytime you need to schedule an appointment, it's right there for you, and basically it'll create yourself a profile, show you what's been completed, what's been done. So we'll do that on step 2 on our second video. But anyways, I just want to show you a quick video on how to set your service appointment and make it more functional for our users. Again, Seaway Hyundai, everything we do is for the community and making your car buying and car servicing experience more enjoyable. So again, thank you for joining me today in my office, and we'll see you again for some more information about our new service options. Hi, this is Marc Lapointe, General Manager of Seaway Hyundai, and I just did a tour of Seaway Hyundai's new online booking process and scheduling service appointments.